Oh, why do I keep doing this to myself? What do we got here? We got ourselves a 200X situation in the shed. Yeah, new find here. You might have remembered a few months back when I was making videos, I picked this guy up. I'm just putting the finishing touches on the 86 here, waiting for a few parts for the rear end, but this guy's getting really close, and it is absolutely supreme looking. So I figured, well, let's get him a little brother here. I just got this 86, 87, 88-ish Type 2 engine ready and running. This came out of a TRX 200SX, and my thoughts were, you know, I got the little racer over there. Why don't we make a trail rider out of this 85? I know people make Auto X's with a Type 1 electric start engine. Huh, what would one of these be like with automatic clutch, electric start, and reverse? I think that's going to be a cool bike. So this thing is just a beaut, absolute beaut. But good thing, it's got nice new tires on it, and of course, it's got the best looking tire in the world, the Kenda Front Max on there, so it matches the 86. So we're off to a good start at least. Ooh, that is complete rust, so we're not going to be using that today. Let's grab this gas tank and put it on there. Yeah, and I better cover up the pretty one here so some of the funk off the 85 doesn't decide to fall on it. Yeah. Good girl. Oh, okay, what do we do first here? Let's see if we can get that off carefully. Tank. Tank doesn't look too bad. Yeah. It's not rotted out. Not dented up. That'll fix up nice. Now, where's the carburetor? Fuel line is right there. Okay, we can make this work. Okay, so the guy said it hasn't run in a long time. So let's just do step number one. See if we got spark. Or see if it makes any weird noises here when I turn it over. Sounds good. Okay, let's see if we got spark here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We have spark. Okay, step one's done. Let's throw some fuel down the carburetor and see what happens. All right, gasoline is Velcroed on there, so that's perfect. Perfect. Let's throw this down here. Yeah, we'll move the tailpipe away from the pretty white bike so it doesn't just spit oil all over the place, if that's what it wants to do. Well, let's see if there's any oil in this turd. Yeah, there's something in there. Okay, there's fuel down the line. I'm not seeing any leakage there. Let's see how the plug looks. Yeah, she flooded out. All right, let's let her air out a little bit and try it again. Look at that. Okay. She's smoky, but she runs.
Yeah, might need a piston.
Oh, this is so exciting. Yeah, we got a runner. Yeah, she definitely smokes quite a bit, but nothing a top end rebuild will not fix on that. Bottom end sounded really good. Yeah, we got a winner. We got a winner. You can tell by looking at it. It's a winner. A little jelly, aren't you, buddy? Huh? But the main thing here is this Type 2 engine going to fit in there. Let's take that out and see what happens. Yeah, we'll first go around and take pictures of absolutely everything so I know how to put it back together. Pulse coil is there. What is this massive stuff? Factory? Yeah, I don't know. Come on. Okay, what else is hooked up here? Headlight, probably. Oh, coil. Gonna come out of there. There we go. Yeah, I should probably take a little break and clean up all the 200SX parts so I don't get things all mixed up here. Let's put this all away. Lovely. Yeah, that's exactly where that's supposed to be. Okay, we'll get this ism out of the way. Perfection. That is exactly how you want to do that. Chances of this thing not being just rusted all in there. Pretty low. Criminy. Oh, that's definitely... Don't make me grab the cutoff wheel. Oh, for the love of God. All right, you want to play? Let's play. There. What kind of clobbered up creation we got going on here? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lock washers. Fantastic. Yeah, and this has got about a 101% chance of breaking off here. Let's see. Oh, it'll come out. How about the lower? Gonna break loose? Oh yeah. Okay, that's encouraging. I don't know. I think I might keep this FMF on there. It's kind of slick looking. You get a new decal for it and repaint it. Yeah, that's usable. I kind of don't like doing this against aluminum, but yeah, it'll get there. Well, let's take it very gentilely. Gentilely. Okay. Header's in good shape. That'll de-rustify and paint up nice. Okay, where to next? I think we'll gently take the clutch cable off. Gently. Come on, grip. Yeah, there we go. Okay, a couple motor mounts here and there, and we should be able to slide this engine out. Okay, so I have this motor mount out, that motor mount out. It's missing the front motor mount, so that's nice. But the service manual is saying I need to take off this foot peg to get this lower one out. So, yeah, these first generation 200Xs are definitely not as elegantly put together and designed as the second generation. They're very nice machines, but that 86 is a lot nicer to work on. I think this thing was designed back when Kevin was still working at Honda. Oh yeah, and they also want me to take the brake rod off the brake arm here. Well, that's interesting. The foot brake is actually part of the Kickstarter. Yeah, that's definitely Kevin's handiwork. Gonna come out of there. You can come loose. There we go. Kevin, you know you want to get out of there. It's like half a mm. There we go. Well, they want me to take this side off too. Oh yeah, I see. Once I get this off, then I can get back down in there. Okay, can I get a wrenchy poo down in here and a ratchet on the other side? I got her. Yes, indeed. All right, she should be free. Now I'll try this again. Oh, this early 80s Honda stuff is so clobbered together. You know you want to come out of there. Oh, there we go. Yeah, where's this go over here? Out there. Oh, camera. Well, that wasn't too bad. Motor's out. Frame is dirty, but in really good shape. That's nice. We'll sandblasting some new paint, and that'll look gorgeous. But now, here's the trick. Is this Type 2 engine going to fit in there? Ooh, gonna be a tight squeeze, I think. But we are going to make this work. Okay, so it's in there, but kind of in there. Yeah, we're hitting back here and up here. I think I can get this thing in here without having to cut this, but yeah, I don't want to chop up this nice frame. But if I have to, if I could just cut this off here, then I think it's going to slide right in. But let's keep messing with it here until maybe going from the other side. Let's try here. Where can I grab this guy? Let's go over on this side. Nope, hitting the brake rod over there. Okay, folks, I was hoping it didn't have to come to this, but it came to this. This bracket is in the way, so I'm going to have to cut this out and make a new bracket that will fit the 200SX engine. I mean, it's not the end of the world. This is a flat piece of metal. If, for some reason, I ever wanted to go back to original, I could pop it out, weld that back on, and grind it up really nice, and be back to stock. So, in my mind, it's not the end of the world, but if you are a stock aficionado, and this is going to scare you, please look away now. Oh yeah, that looks fine. Calm down, Sparky. Everything's gonna be okay here. Ooh, and then it's hot. Yeah, we will set that over there. We'll keep that in the bag with all the leftover parts, so just in case someday I want to weld that back on there. But for now, let's see if that guy will fit in there. There. Okay, so if it doesn't go in now, I'm gonna have to rethink this. But it should go in. Should go in. Oh, look at how lovely that is. Sprocket don't line up where I need it to. Let's move it over a little bit. About right there. Well, folks, what do you think? Did I completely ruin this thing here, or am I onto something great? I think I'm onto something great. You know, this thing is just the perfect toy for the guy who has the artificial hip and has problems kickstarting. This is going to be great on the trails. We'll put a bigger sprocket on the rear, like 12 tooth on the front, gear it down really low with the automatic clutch, brakes on both hands. This thing's going to be an awesome, awesome trail machine and be a good little brother to the Vroom Vroom one over here. But yeah, well, let me know what you think in the comments. Did I ruin it, or is this an okay idea? And yeah, the old 86 over here. I know a couple months back I made a couple of videos of when I picked this up when it was in this shape right here. But I apologize, I didn't make any videos of the restoration of this guy. You know, I just felt like working. You know, the number of views that YouTube really gives me, I just kind of felt like working on this one instead of having to stress out about having to make videos. But still waiting for some rear end parts here, but we'll get that done soon enough, and I will make videos finishing this up. So be sure to spin over the channel and like and subscribe if you want to check that out. So yeah, I think that's really all I'm going to do this time. But if you want to check out more Bigfoot Bikes and Brews videos, yeah, check out this video over here. Or I think you're really going to like this one. And I'm going to see you next time.